Holy smokes, what do we have here? Step van, customized. Pretty neat stuff. Got it all nicely set up there. There's a few cars out here. Wednesday, midweek cruising. I'm John. This is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Really appreciate it. Got the GMC truck. Looking nice. Earlier Grand Prix convertible. Check this out. Gotta love it. Short bed. Ford. That's the 67 to 72 style. Otherwise known as a bump side. Got the Ranchero, Falcon Ranchero. Beautiful mid-year Corvette. 66 or 7, I think. I'm not sure. Not too sure. We got a couple of Corvettes here. Sometimes you get a lot of Corvettes out here. Not today, though. It's only like 82 degrees. It's one of the mid-engine Corvettes and one of the front-engine ones. And a group of people enjoying themselves in the shade. Let's go over here and look at a few of these other things. There's Billy's 1960 Corvette. This is on a whole C4 suspension. So it's not just the wheels. So that's got to drive and steer really nicely. Pretty nice stuff there. It's Ron's Porsche. This is a nice car. How about Tim's 57 delivery? OBS. It's got a nicely done LS install. Even got air conditioning. Bill's Buick, I think 56, 57. Not sure exactly what year that one is. That's Thunderbird. This 57. I like the hood treatment on this. Perfect. What a nice car. Speaking of nice, not a mid to later 70s Nova.
Truck. Is that your truck? No. Oh.
Small block. 53, 55 Ford pickup. Nice green. What year is that?
55.
55. That's beautiful. Very, very nice. We got a couple others around here. 65 El Camino. Looking great in the two-tone. Super clean underneath there.
Say that, then you want to do something else.
LS swap here. Nicely done. Got the Challenger. Pretty good there. Our G8. Pontiac G8 GT. Frank's shoebox here. '49 Ford, I think, 49 or 50. I think it's a 49. So this piece of trim here used to live there. So you take it off there, move it back on the door, fill in the spots, and you have a nice mild custom touch that most people don't even know anything's been done. Mike's 31 Ford Model A with small block Ford and 4-speed.